A civil society organization urges parties to the revitalized peace agreement to develop a clear plan for redeployment of the necessary unified forces after their graduation. Community Empowerment for Progress organization said the redeployment plan should focus on increasing the security capacity of conflict-prone states to protect civilians. In a statement seen by iRadio, CEPO called on the parties to set up clear indicators around the protection of civilians. Edmund Yukani, the executive director of CEPO, suggests the need to hold strategic deliberation between the leadership of the Unified Command and UNMISS peacekeeping force on sharing plans for protection of civilians. According to Yukani, developing a well-coordinated security synergy between the government and UNMISS will offer a proper security sector reform. They must develop a well-coordinated security synergy between the government and UNMISS will offer a proper security sector reform, he said. Early this month, the parties resolved to stay in power for the next 24 months until December 2024, when elections are expected to usher in a new government. During the announcement of the extension, the unity government presented a roadmap for implementing the remaining tasks in the peace deal. However, the roadmap did not explain how the government is planning to conduct the redeployment of the yet-to-be-graduated necessary unified forces. More than 53,000 peace soldiers are expected to be graduated by August 30, less than a week from today. But the roadmap stipulates that cantonment or barracking, screening, reorganization and training of the remaining forces is supposed to commence after the graduation and redeployment of their forces by 30 November this year, to continue for 6 months.